morning, buongiorno. It's 8 a.m. on the beak, or on the nose if you're human. All right, most excellent clocks one can get anywhere are of Australian origin. Thank you. See, 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, time for breakfast. Good plan, Boyd. Boyd's man, woman, girls, boys, boys, yes. There you have it. An old photograph taken in a tavern in the Pike Market. Photographs I took from my Pike Market apartment facing Puget Sound, parking lot there. I love this one with the ferry. And finally framed the etching Jimmy Furneaux gave me in 1987. Jimmy of Aberdeen, Scotland. Only took me 34 years to frame it, but looks great. It has a fabulously long inscription. It's titled, if I'm pronouncing it right, Bickenley and Ardenley, 1987. Whene'er to drink you are inclined, and Cutty Sark's in your mind, think you may buy the joys o'er dear, remember Tam O'Shanter's mare. Over here it says, to ken with good thoughts and feelings, remember Tam O'Shanter's mare, parentheses, you may lose your tail, exclamation in the parentheses, especially having sex with a witch. Jimmy Furneaux on the right, J. Furneaux. All right, there you have it. The photograph of a friend of mine from Urbana, Illinois, at the Red Herring Coffee House in Urbana, 1973. Kind of reminds me of the black and white, the ambiance of the man seated at the table, or actually it might be two people there, in the Pike Market Tavern. All right, there you have it. Good show, boys. Good show. Good show. Okay, enjoy your breakfast, Bateyavon. Eat in good health. Nostrovia, L'chaim, Salud, etc., etc., etc.